Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to do keyword research for Fiverr gig. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in help.fiverr.com where I found a guide that explained everything about keyword research. One of the best tools to maximize your results is through keyword optimization via the setter plus exclusive keyword research in our advanced analytics feature. This enables you to compare your gig's existing keywords with new options for keywords. Find the best keyword when creating a new gig and exploring new domains. Find the top performing keywords in your domain. How it works: pick the specific category and subcategory, the service type when relevant that you want to analyze. On the Analyze page under the Keyword Research tab, click Show Top Keyword By, located above the metrics board. You can sort how you want to view your data by selecting the metric you want to view from the drop down menu. Example: overall rank, conversion, etc. Then review your data once you've picked and organized your metrics. Example: the search term social media manager can rank as high in search volume, but low in terms of conversion. Please note the label high, medium, or low indicates the ranking for a keyword in a specific category compared to other keywords. There's also some helpful tips right here. Select the right metrics for you. Start with the overall rank. Utilize strong keywords in your title and description. Review your keyword performance after 13 days. Use the top keywords tab for existing keywords. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.